on the dirt, back on the gravel. Let's hope it's nicer gravel. You know you're in the south when the signs say that.
Yeah.
Awesome. Finally getting the drone out.
Take off.
Survived his maiden flight in the US of A. Didn't get shot down. What's the temperature?
32 in the shade.
That's quite warm.
New state, love!
Arkansas! Woo! And I think that means we're in the west now.
Hey!
Must be shit working out in that heat. Hey, we made it. Heidelberg and Company.
Yay!
Bit of a rite of passage.
We're growing soybeans this year. We grow corn, soybeans.
Two guys coming towards us in a truck stopped us and asked us if we're doing the trail, and then told us we'd missed a turn, which we had. Concentrating on the gravel so much we missed a blooming turn. Oh well, that was kind of them. At least we're back on the trail now. This stuff is not so much fun.
Just gonna pull over this way.
Why are you pulling over?
I want to see how far of this shit I'm gonna go.
Fuck me.
Oh man, this is hard work.
Bugger.
Just go down to the road and see where it goes.
You turn that way and you'll be on the new bridge then.
Thank you, sir. These are supposed to last to Colorado. I think we're going to arrive there on slicks, to be honest. We woke the next morning to thunderstorms and a dismal weather forecast, so we decided to rest up a bit, watch some movies, and drink tea all day. Woke up at 5:30 to a nice, massive thunderstorm, so there's a good chance the roads are going to be in terrible condition. Right, time to tear out some wet gravel. Rice for breakfast, anyone? Indicator? Indicator?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, the vulture's circling. Think it's a tat rider, maybe? These are very nice gravel roads. Beautiful morning's riding. It's time for a Snickers though.
Oh, I need that little Snickers. I'm just feeling a bit hungry.
And that's just trouble for everybody. He's fast.
Go, little road runner, go, 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 go!
Yeah, you can fly. What's your problem? Beady, beady, beady. Scotland.
So we've been to Scotland, Denmark and Paris.
Cool. Good call staying locked up in a hotel room yesterday. No, this is beautiful there. Are we in the forest yet? The Ozark National Forest?
Yeah, we're in Ozark. This is the Ozark.
Our target is dinner at the Ozark General Store. That's just so much forest out there.
Yeah, there it is.
There's the famous Tat Shack. It's just way too early to stop. So this place is free for tat riders to use. You are now in a dry county, and unless you're packing your own brew, your favourite ale beverage is miles away. That's awesome.
That's really cool.
And there's cots. Okay, so it's actually got a hot water shower now as well. Alright, Tat Shack, we'll drink your beer, but we've got to ride. Unfortunately, the store's closed.
Are you open? Oh, awesome! Thank you. They're open till 6. Yes,
Excellent.
yes, yes.
Never
yes.
heard of more happy wrecks in my life.
Feedy, feedy, feed, feed.
We've got pies to go, and we are stuffed full of hamburger. That was very cool of the guys to fill us in as they were closing. Reading Campground, 11 hours of bike time today. Home sweet home for the evening. Bit of a dawdly pack up and start to the morning. That's really quite pretty. There's a funny little trail and some reasonable sized puddles.
Oh!
Ooh, that's slippery to get in there.
Pretty rocky.
Oh, no, that way, sorry. It was my right, your left.
Thanks, babe.
I really need to learn left from right, don't I?
Fuck yeah.
This is pretty gnarly.
Are you kidding me?
There you go.
My goodness gracious me. I haven't decided if that's fun yet. It's certainly interesting. I must say, there's no way in hell I would have gone down there on my versus.
Not a sausage.
Turtle!
Turtle! Don't hit the turtle. Looks like we might be stuck with rain all day, which is going to suck.
It's a lovely morning though.
He's misbehaving. Got zero power from over like 6,000 RPM. Oh, that's getting pretty bad. Yeah, this has got a problem. A real problem. So the kickstand sensor's all bent out of shape. We hope we've fixed the problem. This little shit really wants to run. There it is. He's not very big.
I'll take a picture anyways. You get one in front of the turkey and I'll take one in front of the chicken.
Thank you. Arkansas, that was probably some of the best riding we've had so far.
Are we in Oklahoma? Hey! New state!
Bounce it.
It happens in twos every single time.
So we just fixed my kickstand sensor and we've just got Vicky's rear shock is toast. Only these water crossings are treacherous because of all the moss. We're going to go very slow across this one. No, mate. Go, squirrel! Just get out.
Run!
No, you're supposed to cross the river here according to the map, and there was a bridge, there isn't anymore. That's because you got a dodgy shock, doesn't mean you can drive like an ant all day.
Oh, that's great.
It looks pretty freaking ominous.
Yeah.
Somebody's kindly put up a tap this way sign. Unfortunately, that's the way of the tornado warning on our weather app. If there's any flying cows, we've got to stop. Tornado warning, right where we are. And it's going to make that road nice and muddy. Probably not the best idea in the whole world. Ah! The storm seems to be going that way. This looks a little flooded. Can't see what's going on, it's getting deeper. This is a road, not a river. It's pretty deep. Vicky's found some more wildlife. There's a little crayfish. Hello, dude. We were going to camp somewhere over there, but there's a tornado warning for this evening, so I think we won't. We've got to make some serious miles today. We've got to get to, well, we've got to get halfway to where Vicky's shock's going to be waiting. The sun's coming up. It's getting ready to cook us. First puddle crossing of the day.
A little bit muddy here, but...
Indicator.
You're going to make a whole collage of these, aren't you?
We just passed a sign that says prone to flooding, and they're not wrong. It's getting quite deep, almost up to my boot. Yeah, they had a lot of rain here yesterday, I think.
No, that's cool.
Hello. Hello. Oh, now he wants to go. So heated grips on, rain jackets on. Oh, nice toasty hands now, but it's been cold.
No!
Oh, poor dude.
Oh, you okay?
He's through the fence, put it that way. So this little blue dot means we are just touching Kansas for a minute. So this is it Elgin? Elgin?
Yeah.
A town too tough to die. It's supposed to be a ghost town, but there's a few people around. This guy's just got a flag. This guy's just got a ride-on mower.
Oh, good cows. Oh, these ones are smart. These ones matter.
Kickstand spring is gone. Somewhere here. And I have a kickstand string, not a kickstand spring. Kickstand down. Ta-da! Kickstand up.
You seriously propping your bike up against mine?
Oh, there you go. Don't need a kickstand anymore. You gotta click your heels.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. And you gotta jump a meter that way. Okay, ready? Ah! And now?
We're not in Kansas anymore.
We're not in Kansas anymore. Prairie Reserve.
Oh, that one's got a big hole there. Don't do that one.
It's Grom swallowing kettle grate. The danger when roads are this long on this straight, the speed starts getting up there.
But I'm doing like 80k.
Hope there's no change in gravel conditions. Weird, man. Look at this place. It's like a movie set.
Yeah, it's pretty cool actually.
All boarded up. So I made a slight modification. Ta-da! Awesome. Right, Groms have had another wash. And the chains are actually chain coloured.
Probably should have done that a while ago.
So the campsite's just around the corner.
That would have been a really nice spot.
It looks like a really nice campsite. It's the only campsite around. It's closed for renovation. Next time, I point at the ground, Vicky pulls a wire, and the army comes to town.